Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at uranium energy, and on this chart we have been tracking this 1-1-1-2 setup all along, where we have a 1 2 1 2 1 2, and now we are tracking this third wave to the upside, which we may have actually started for real this time, the impulsive part of it. And within it we may have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then another 1-2 setup. And then this may actually be the beginning of such a movement, such a third wave to the upside. It looks like it might complete rather another 1-2 setup before starting with the real power to the upside, as we have quite a high target for this chart if it actually follows up. But for now it looks quite alright, and as I said in the previous video, we have a lot of way to the downside to move before I would actually even start considering this a bearish pattern, a bearish chart overall. So in the previous video, I was pointing out that this correction, I would not necessarily classify it as a follow-up for this 1 2 3 4, but rather for a mini 1 2 3 4 pattern, where we would still expect a fifth wave to the upside to actually consider this a third wave complete. And yeah, I think I was even pointing out that we may have had a mini 1-2 setup here, and it turns out that was correct, as we pushed into quite an extended third wave to the upside here. And yes, I say an extended third wave because I believe it is still possible for us to push directly higher, and this may have only been the third wave of the fifth wave to the upside. So I could expect a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then still a fifth wave to the upside before we consider this whole pattern in the third wave complete. And even then, we still need to be on the lookout for pushing directly higher. It could overall be a more bullish scenario than we anticipate. We are supposed to be in a third wave after all, but if this fifth wave is actually complete, and it could be, I would be looking for a support zone, for a wave 4 within the support zone that is between $9.08 down to around $7.8. So that would be the invalidation of this 1 2 3 4 and fifth movement to the upside. But for now, I could see this continuing even further to the upside, where we had a 1 2 3, and this is a 4, and then we expect the fifth, and I would expect the fourth wave to hold between $9.80 down to around $9.20. If it breaks below that, we go to the fallback scenario where this fifth wave is complete, and we expect a larger fourth wave that should resemble a fourth wave appropriate for this wave 2. So this wave 1 and then this wave 2. So for now, I would actually like to add a count to this chart, an intuitive count that we can track, and I would like to add a provisionary count for this micro setup here, where I expect the fourth wave to actually complete quite soon. We may get to the 38.2% retracement and then push still even higher in the fifth wave to the upside. But for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.